Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Base 44 and Bolt AI, and I will help you to decide which platform is better for building apps in 2025, whether you are a no-code creator or a pro developer. So let's start. Base 44 is a hybrid app builder that combines no-code tools with full code export. It is perfect for teams that want flexibility. It includes AI design assistance, mobile-first layouts, and API integrations. Bolt, on the other hand, is all about AI-assisted app generation. You describe what you want and Bolt builds a working MVP in minutes, making it ideal for startups, solopreneurs, and quick prototyping. So let's compare both of them. Number one, their ease of use. Bolt AI is faster for complete beginners. You can just describe your app and it starts generating. Base 44, on the other hand, is more powerful and has a steeper learning curve. Number 2, customization. Base 44 offers full design control, logic blocks, and code export, while Bolt AI is limited to what its AI can understand and build, though customization is improving in 2025. Number 3, AI capabilities. Bolt AI leads in automation because it can generate entire front ends, UIs, and back end logic using just prompts, while Base 44 uses AI for enhancements but not the full generation of the website. Number 4, developer tools. Base 44 is favored by devs for its GitHub integration, component library, and code transparency, while Bolt is more of a no-code MVP launcher with fewer dev tools. Number 5, their use cases. Use Base 44 for long-term scalable apps with teams, while use Bolt AI to better testing startup ideas and fast getting early feedback without coding anything. So in 2025, you will choose Bolt AI for ultra-fast no-code prototyping and choose Base 44 if you want control, scaling, and developer level depth. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.